Blaze back here, and today I'm gonna... Yeah? Okay. Hey guys, Blaze back here, and today I'm going to play Mortal Kombat versus DC Universe. I am!
Good.
Okay, so yeah, this is the game. You won't be able to see it that well. Let me see if
Hey,
it's
where's my remote?
Oh, it's in here somewhere. I said I put it in here.
Oh, here it is.
Wait, is it done charging? Yep.
Who am I?
Oh. It hasn't started
It's
yet.
just showing you how to play.
Yeah. That was loud.
This
So
is very
yeah, guys. Maya, do you have something for me to hold the camera up?
Oh, yeah? Yeah, I do. Just,
Not that.
no, just wait, okay?
Okay, once you're ready. So yeah, guys, we're playing Mortal Kombat versus DC Universe. And it's the game.
Why is your thing still down there?
I don't know.
How about your water bottle? Your water bottle, yeah?
Maybe. Yeah, I don't know.
Son, go potty.
There's nothing in it.
Aiden, that cup does not belong on the floor. Turn that off and put your stuff further away. Thank you.
I'm trying to get the camera. It's close enough. Close enough. So yeah. One sec. Yeah. Oh.
That's quick. Right?
Okay. Yeah, guys. So.
What do you say, Aiden?
Oh, thanks. So yeah. You're gonna be able to see me in the camera. So, my sister is actually here. If I can take the camera.
What do you doing that? You play or you make a video?
Aww.
What are you doing?
Hey!
I'm just videotaping it. So, there. Team play. Why?
You don't need to make a video of you playing a video game.
Okay.
That's what I always do when I make my videos.
But you're showing them stuff. This, like, how to do something on there. That you're just playing.
Oh, okay. Then let's turn it off again.
Oh.
Your phone off. Just your phone.
Okay, so my mom said I can't record. So yeah.
Aiden,
What? Oh.
I wasn't ready.
What? So yeah. This game, I might play online and play with you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.